Hi everyone. This video is a quick tutorial on how to use the Facebook Friend Cleaner template that I made in Google Sheets. And the purpose of this template is to clean up your pasted friends list that you've pasted into Google Sheets so that you don't have to manually go through it and delete all of the extra junk that you don't need that you pasted in there from Facebook. So let's get started. This is what you should see now. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to paste your Facebook friends. Oops. Go copy them. And if you don't know how to do that, or you don't know what I'm talking about with how to, copy and paste your Facebook friends, then you'll want to go to see this video right here. Explains the process on how to get your friends list from Facebook and how to copy it. And then a follow-up video, this one explains how to add new friends to this spreadsheet also once you've added more friends later on. So I've copied my friends list, so now I'm going to just paste it here. So now you see we've got all this extra stuff. So I've got my friends, but then I've got all this extra stuff like the, mutual friends, and then sometimes it'll say like what their job title is, and it's just a bunch of extra stuff that I don't need. So the way this works now is you're going to come up to Facebook Tools, click on it, and then you're going to click Clean Friends List with Links. Now it's going to come up and say authorization required. This is just saying that there is a script running in the background, just commands that are telling Google Sheets what to do, and that it needs your permission to run them. You'll only have to do this the first time you run this script. So you click OK, and then it's going to open this window, and you have to log into your Google account. And this looks scary, but it's basically just saying that Google doesn't know what this script does, so be careful. I wrote this script personally, so I guarantee you it is not going to mess anything up. It's not dangerous. It's not going to cause any problems whatsoever. So you click Advanced, scroll down, and then click Go to Clean Facebook Friends List app from SRD Social. It says unsafe because that's what Google thinks it is, just because it doesn't know what it is. So click on that. And then you want to select all, because this is what um, the permissions are. So you're just saying that this script that I wrote has permission to access the information within this spreadsheet. It's only within this specific spreadsheet. It's not giving access to all of your spreadsheets. So then click Continue. And now you've given permission. So just come up to Facebook Tools again, click Clean Friends List, and now it's running the script. And it might take a little while, just depending on how many friends you have. I only copied part of my friends list, so there's 240 names that I copied. If you have more than that, it'll take it a little while to run. Just know that it is running in the background. When it's done, it'll pop up with this. It says clean list created with, and it'll tell you how many names it um, put into the cleaned list. So then you say, okay, and there is your cleaned list. It's all of my friends' names without all of the extra junk that I don't need. And you can click on this little down arrow right here, and you can sort it from A to Z. So that'll give you your alphabetical, and that's all you need to do. So then let's say you're adding new friends to your list. So let me come and get a few new names. So I just copied some new names from my friends list. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to add my names. And you see it's still got the junk in there. So then all I have to do is scroll back up to the top. You click on Facebook Tools, click on Clean Friends List again, running the script again. And like I said, sometimes it can take a while. So now it's got 254 names. It added 14 names. So then you click OK, and now I've got my new list. And you can see it took away the sorting. So you'll have to just manually resort. But there we go. Now I've got my new updated friends list without all the junk. So hopefully this makes it faster and easier for you to use the uh, Google Sheet method to access your friends list.